Welcome back friends to my another video tutorial of Anita Bioconcept, and in this video tutorial I will be discussing about the BCR, that is B cell receptor. So our topic is BCR or B cell receptor. B cell receptor means the receptors which are present on B cell. Receptors which are present on B cell. Okay, so membrane bound immunoglobulins serve as receptors for the B cell. Membrane bound immunoglobulin, also known as MIG, membrane bound immunoglobulin on the B cell surface, serve as B cell receptor. They are responsible to bind the particular specific antigens, and immunoglobulin of the same antigenic specificity, is secreted as antibody by the differentiated B cells known as plasma cell, which are differentiated B cell. B cells. Now the question arises, how many receptors do B cells have? Total, how many receptors? This question arises. So the answer is approximately each B cell is having 10 to the power 5 such receptors on their plasma membrane. Okay, and each of these receptor, among 10 to the power 5 approximate B cell receptors, each of these receptors is stably associated with a complex of transmembrane protein. Transmembrane protein complex is associated with each of the B cell receptor, and that is responsible to initiate the intracellular signaling pathway, intracellular signal transduction pathway when antigen is bound to the receptor, or when the receptor binds to its specific antigen. Okay, upon binding with specific antigens. So membrane bound immunoglobulin act as B cell receptor, and the immunoglobulin of the same antigenic specificity is secreted as antibody by differentiated B cells such as plasma cell. Okay, now what about those transmembrane protein complex that are associated with the BCR, or membrane immunoglobulin? So this complex consists of immunoglobulin alpha and immunoglobulin beta. Okay, so these transmembrane protein complex do not bind to the antigen. They do not bind antigen. Then what they do? They transmit signals to the nucleus of the cell. They transmit signals to the cell nucleus to change the pattern of gene expression. Okay, so this is the function of this transmembrane protein complex. They transmit the signals to the cell's interior or nucleus to change the pattern of gene expression. and this is the reason they are known as signal transducing molecules. They are also known as signal transducing molecules. Okay. Now we can define in an arranged way that what is the meaning of B cell receptor. B cell receptor or BCR is a complex which consists of membrane bound immunoglobulin and two associated signal transduction molecule, that is immunoglobulin alpha, Ig alpha and Ig beta molecule. Okay, or BCR is composed of membrane immunoglobulin molecule associated with Ig alpha and Ig immunoglobulin beta heterodimers. These are heterodimers. These are heterodimers. Okay, and in this B cell receptor, now there are two parts. One is immunoglobulin molecule, MIG, membrane immunoglobulin, and another is Ig alpha and Ig beta heterodimer. Okay, so the function of membrane immunoglobulin is to bind antigen, and then after a specific immune response is initiated against this antigen, and the function of this Ig alpha and Ig beta heterodimer is to transmit the signal to the cell's interior or nucleus to change the pattern of gene expression. So it is clear now that what is B cell receptor. Now I will discuss about the structure of B cell receptor and some other molecules which does act as the B cell co-receptor. Okay, so here suppose if it is the B cell membrane, then membrane immunoglobulin act as the BCR or B cell receptor. So here this is the membrane immunoglobulin, this is the light chain, these two are the heavy chain, this is the light chain. Okay, so these are stabilized by disulfide bond. Okay, and transmembrane protein, that is Ig alpha and Ig beta heterodimer molecule, which are associated with this BCR or B cell receptor or this membrane immunoglobulin. So what are those? Okay, these are Ig alpha, Ig beta. So these are heterodimer associated transmembrane protein complex, which are associated with this membrane immunoglobulin, which act as the B cell receptor. So this B cell receptor membrane immunoglobulin will bind with antigen and will initiate the immunity or immune response against this antigen, and this heterodimer Ig alpha and Ig beta heterodimer molecule transmembrane protein complex do not bind with antigen, but it will transmit the signal to the cell nucleus so that it can change the pattern of gene expression. Gene expression pattern will be changed due to this heterodimer transmembrane protein complex molecule Ig alpha and Ig beta. Okay, now I will tell you about some of the B cell co-receptor. B cell co-receptors. Okay, so before that I would like to tell you that what is the function of this BCR. This BCR allow the B cells to to bind to the specific antigen, because this B cell is having receptor membrane immunoglobulin, and it allow the B cells to bind to a specific antigen against which it can initiate the immune response. So this is a very big function, this is very important function of this B cell receptor, that it is going to allow the B cells to bind to a specific antigen against which it can initiate the antibody response or immune response. Okay, now there are some more molecules. What I am talking about B cell co-receptor, there are some more molecules on the B cell membrane like CD19, CD81, okay, CD21. This CD81 is also known as TAPA1, TAPA1, and CD21, and this is also known as CR2. Okay, so these all are also present. This B7 membrane molecule, CD58 molecule, CD54 molecule, which is also known as ECAM, intracellular cell adhesion molecules one, it is also known as ECAMs. So these all are also present on the B cell membrane, which does act as the co-receptor, especially this TAPA1, that is CD81 and CD21 along with CD19. These three act as co-receptors. This CD19, CD81 and the CD21, these act as co-receptors, and these other molecules helps in the other functions. Okay, so let's discuss about their structure. So for that I will have to raise it. Okay. Now, suppose this is the B cell membrane, B cell membrane. So here this is the CD19 molecule, okay, and here this is CD21, which is also known as CR2, okay, and then after this is the TAPA1, which is included in this co-receptor, okay, and after that here these are CD54 and this is CD58, okay, and beside this CD19 there is another molecule known as B7 membrane molecule. This is also known as co-stimulatory signal, co-stimulatory signal. Okay, what is CD here? I have just forgotten to tell you. CD means cluster of differentiation molecule, okay, and it is having biological as well as diagnostic significance or value. It is having biological as well as diagnostic significance or value, and it is used to determine the cell's identity. It is used to determine the cell identity. Okay, so these are the different molecules which this TAPA1 and CD21, CD19 are these act as the co-receptor of the B cells. Okay, so this is all about the B cell receptors along with the co-receptors. Okay, so now I think it's clear to you that what is the meaning of B cell receptor. B cell receptor is nothing, actually it is composed of membrane immunoglobulin molecule which are associated with the immunoglobulin alpha and immunoglobulin beta, that is heterodimer molecule, and this membrane immunoglobulin binds with the antigen and it is responsible to initiate the immune response or antibody response against this particular specific antigen. But this heterodimer molecule do not bind with antigen, but it is being responsible to transmit the signals to the cell's nucleus so that the gene expression pattern can be changed. Okay, and there are some other molecules such as B7, CD19, CD21, TAPA1, CD54 and CD58. So in this case, the co-receptor molecules are CD21, TAPA1 and CD19, and these different molecules are having different functions. So these all interact with each other for the functioning of this B cell, which will be differentiated to form the plasma cell. So this is all about the B cell receptor and co-receptor. So with this, thank you all. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So till then, thank you.